information because having the leaders' names points suppliers and other personnel in the right direction if they have any questions. Without having any names to go by, those in need are basically lost and not sure who to go to with questions or even advice if they have any. Making sure the leaders' names are clearly visible and stated is a very important key to a successful operation. Another important piece of information missing is that some of the incident assignments are missing. With the incident assignments missing, it makes it much more difficult to complete tasks needed in an orderly fashion. Incident assignments being listed orderly sets up the responders to complete such tasks in the most efficient way or order possible to create the best possible outcome. Without the incident assignments listed, everybody's lost and confused on what the exact next step is that should be done. The next piece of information missing is the crew size or the crew weight. This is very important to have because you're going to need the right equipment or manpower to operate depending on the weight of specific objects. Knowing the crew size is crucial because tasks must be assigned accordingly. You don't want to have a crew of 200 people and have 15 people assigned all of the tasks. Knowing the crew size will help establish boundaries and goals that each member can help accomplish. So another piece of missing information is the location of the home base, departure point, and how exactly to get there or how the suppliers will get there. The home base and departure point need to be clearly stated in order to stay organized and give responders a place they can go for help or questions or even advice. If the home base is not listed as well as the departure point, suppliers and other agencies helping may have trouble finding out exactly where to go, as well as wasting time finding a better route whenever there really is already one there. Without knowing this, others will have to waste time figuring out the most effective route, like I just said, or the safe route in order to get to the home base, deliver supplies and other personnel. Another piece of missing information is the type of crane and also the capability of the boom truck that is on site. These are two important pieces of information because these will tell other responders whether or not they need to bring heavier duty equipment with them, possibly, or if the crane or boom on site is all they need to get the job done. This will help answer, is the capability of the crane or boom the safest and most effective way to handle the problem, or should lighter or heavier equipment be brought in? The last missing piece of information stating who ordered these private companies. We know that the railroad company ordered them, but it needs to be clarified as in what state and city the order came from or where these agencies are coming from. This is important because if there's an issue with a specific company, contact needs to be able to be made with them very quickly, whether it's an issue with a responder or an issue with a piece of equipment. Having as much information on this as possible is required for efficient work. Thank you, guys.
Okay, I think that covers everything. Scott has done a great job of running us through the concepts involved with the check-in process. Michael has taught us all how to fill out the ICS Form 211, and then Parker has pointed out all that information that's missing and needed to finish the 211. Unless there's anything that anyone wants to add, I'm going to call that it for our Unit 4 group work discussion of resource management and the check-in process. Thank you.